Hi there, welcome to English Class Daily, a place to be if you want to become fluent in English. And I have received a few requests from people asking me to explain what articles are and how we use them in the English language. So, before we get started, I would like for you to thumbs up if you like this idea or this video. Subscribe to make sure that you stay up to date with free videos on English, and share with your friends or people that you know who will benefit from this. Okay guys, so let's get started. Well, we use a, an and the for very different purposes. Now when we are talking about subjects, we have what we call the pronoun, we have a noun. And so usually when we are using a and the, we refer to the nouns following. For example, if I was to say a noun apple, apple. Now which article should we use? Depending on the situation or the sentence, we would say an apple. An apple. Here is an apple. Why an apple? Because apple begins with what we call a vowel. So vowels A, E, I, O, U. So if a noun begins with a vowel and we are talking about the noun in singular form, meaning one apple, we would say, for example, can I have an apple, please? An apple. So we would have a, n, and then so an, and then afterwards following a from apple. So notice we can't have a apple because you have two vowels, and that doesn't work grammatically in the English language. So we would use an to make sure there's a consonant separating a. Good to know. Okay, so let me think about another fruit. What about a? How do we use a? For example, if I was to say, I would like a banana, please. Remember, banana begins with a consonant. So that means we can use a. So we could say a banana. We wouldn't say an banana. It doesn't make sense. Remember, you have to have either vowel and then the consonant for this case. A and then B following it. A banana. An apple. So you'd have the consonant then followed by the vowel. So this is how we use a and an when it comes to when we are talking about objects, when we're talking about nouns, okay, in particular. Now these refer to what we call concrete nouns, things we can hold, touch, and see. Okay, so how do we use the? So we could refer to both apple and banana using the apple, the banana. Okay, so we use the when referring to a specific noun. Okay, can I please have the banana? Or can I please have the apple? Or can I have the apple, please? Can I have the banana, please? So notice how the can be used for both nouns. Okay, the we would use to refer to the noun in singular form. So for example, we could say, can I have the apple? Can I have the banana, please? But we can also use it in plural form for the nouns. For instance, can I have the bananas, please? Can I have the apples, please? So notice how the refers to both plural and singular as well. Well, I hope that helps. I know that this can be a challenge for people when and how to use the articles a and the. Keep practicing. What I intend to do is develop a worksheet for you to practice how we use a and the. And if you are interested in receiving this worksheet to help you practice, comment in the comments description bar below, in the comments section below, beg your pardon, so that I can help you. And I can create something that's going to help you use the articles correctly. Do you have any questions on this? Is this clear? Do you like to would you like to know more? Would you like to take your learning a step further? Well, I have great news. I have a free e-course just for you on how to become fluent in English and to propel your learning. 4 pillars to success when learning English. In the description bar below, Fast Track to Fluency. I hope to see you there. Until next time, bye.